We had a project here in the heart of Surrey that had 100 by 100 blind space boxes nicely installed, which looked really nice. We came and measured up for the blinds. We got them ordered up, and it was 3.5 wide by 1500 drop, so my first thought was it'll be fine. And actually the 3.5 wide and the 1500 drop created a rolled up diameter. Even though it was less than 100 mil, it was still tight. And not only was it tight, but the hembar didn't fit into the blind space box. We didn't know quite what to do, and we came across this groundbreaking technology, Evolve Zero, and we thought, right, let's give it a bash. Instead of a 65 mil tube, it was a 44 mil tube, and I thought to myself, nah, that's not going to work. I couldn't believe it. It looked like a tiny tube, and I thought this is going to deflect. Zero deflection. The hembar disappeared perfectly into the blind space box. Client came and she couldn't believe it. There were no smiles on the fabric. It was absolutely perfection. We're now got the next phase, and we're now measuring up to 4.7 metre blinds by 2.7 drop. Fantastic.